This is another normal distribution problem. It says the mean filling weight of salt containers processed by the Pedra Salt Company is 15.5. Ounces, and 1% of the containers contain more than 16 ounces. So if this is 16 ounce, then we know this area is 1%. What is the standard deviation? So again, if this is the x-axis, then on the z-axis we have 0 here, and we can find the z-value associated with that point. The way we do that is by z-value is norm dot standard normal inverse, and we want to include 0.99 in there because we know this area is 99%. And this area over here is 1%. Okay, so having had that, or knowing that, then we know our z-value is 2.33 from here. So we're going to use the z distribution. Remember, z is equal to x minus mu over sigma. So 2.33 is equal to, our x is 16, our mean is mu is 15.5, and sigma is what we're looking for. So 2.33 sigma is approximately 0.5. So standard deviation equals 0.5 over 2.33. So approximately 0.215 is the standard deviation. Okay, the next problem is Cheese Delight snack crackers boxes have been found to have a standard deviation of 10 grams and a mean of 14. Standard deviation of 10 and a mean, 412. That's on the x-axis. How many grams should be specified to ensure that 95% of the boxes will contain more than that weight? So if you want 95% of the boxes to contain more, then that means that our x value should be over here, so that this area to the right of it would be 95% of the area under the curve. So we're going to solve for what are we looking for? Sure. Oh, we're looking for the x variable, or this value right here. So we can use the norm inverse function, which computes the value at which a certain percentage of the area under the curve exists. So if this area is 0.95, then again, I have the formula and I'm writing, which I can't do. Okay, so we know that this area right here is 1 minus 0.95 or 0.05. So I'm gonna write that formula again, equals norm inverse, and the probability we know is 0.05 because it's the area to the left of the point we're looking for. The mean is 412 and the standard deviation is 10. And that number should be 395.6. This number right here. So this number should be 395.6.55. All right. So I will stop this video at this point and we'll continue later.